Guys, please watch our first cooking challenge video from RK Mayekisa.
Hi there, Informa team and everyone who's watching. I'm not a cook. I'm like not a chef, but I know how to cook luckily. Today I'm preparing some roasted chicken. It's not gonna be full because I'm just by myself. So I'm just gonna prepare roasted chicken with some roasted veggies. So I'm just gonna put everything, all of it, in this one little small pot. And then, yeah, I know it looks like a lot, but it's just that I have a very small pot. So it's a lot tishinyana for maybe like it could serve like 3 to 4 people. But since I'm alone, it will serve me for the next 5 days. But anyway, so this is like what I have for now. I'll post obviously the results afterwards, but it's just mainly veggies. There's mealies, as you can see. There's butternut. There's a butternut there. There's also like some potatoes. Honali eye, like I cut eye into small pieces just so we can add that aroma. I didn't want to put a lot of onion, even though I do have onion in, but I didn't put a lot of it. There's also baby carrots, so they're very tasty. I love baby carrots. And baby marries, so like yonke into nje ihleliwe imnandi irrelevant pegulated. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut my full chicken into half and put it inside, marinate it, and then basically I'm just gonna sprinkle some few spices, vegetable spices. And also I love putting garlic, even though it's not like your original lewe ekhaya or emtini or ekhapansi or whatever, but I also like gonna put this garlic nyana with a bit of chill. It's a crushed garlic with a bit of chilies, to just add flavor in my meal. And of course, like I said, there's going to be a lot of spices that I play around with. So I'm just like not sure at the moment exactly which spices I'm going to use, but there's my box there full of spices just to marinate my chicken and also sprinkle into some verges and some, spices for I'm a verge. So
Now that you've seen the video, please rate his dish out of 10. What do you give him? And also, please forward your videos on our WhatsApp number, which is 081 The number again is 081 Do not forget to subscribe on YouTube and also on Twitter as The Informer One.